Alright, welcome home. It is that time again. Welcome back to another vlog here on the channel. We are back with another annual PAX Oz vlog. It is that time again. Time has flown by so fast. Pretty sure I've said the past couple of times I've been, but it really has. Time has really flown by. So if you guys haven't seen my previous PAX vlogs, I highly encourage you to go see them. But if you guys have seen them, you know what to expect. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Obviously going for the 3 days as per usual. For now, I guess I'll see you guys when we get into the Expo Hall. Oh no, the Q Hall. Here we go. Morning, yes! We're the first one. Let's go. Holy shit. Yeah! Woo! Let's go. And jumped it. There we go, done.
Neighborhood of curiosity on that side. Some bounces to the middle.
Country road, take me home to a place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. 10, 9, 8.
I think Michael's Scott, the character or the actor who plays Michael?
That way, if you can.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear President.
And fun.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
One more for good luck. Hip hip!
Woohoo! First one! Woohoo! Holy crap, that's sick! Woohoo!
Would you be fine if I leave by the time the sun is out? I cannot need a but a show, I will be fine. Just let me go.
Hey!
Lá sáng sơ rơi rụng ôm nỗi sầu thầm lặng, hương sắc hoa sắp tàn mặc kệ gió mây ngàn, rồi biết đi về đâu trôi theo áng mây phiêu bồng. Ai thấu lòng có nhớ, ai đâu hiểu lòng thương lắm vẫn duyên lỡ làng. Ai thương thân này đời có ngước lên trời cao dang rộng cánh tay, từng cánh chim bay lạ lời nhưng nào ai hay. Ai có thấu trăng chờ mùa xuân tới thân này chơi vơi, chờ khắp thế gian im lặng. Họ vào ánh mắt chuột lòng nhân gian ôi phần tơ duyên sao xa. Duyên sao xa phần tơ duyên sao xa. Phần tơ duyên sao xa. Sông sâu đời ta có thâu, vai vai lượt được bao lâu. Ta cho một chuyến quá mau để tranh về ngập đau đầu. Con tim này ai dẫn lối, chỉ mong đừng vô vấp tôi. Cứ chốc vài giây bối rối hay nghĩ suy. Đừng để ta chơi và làm chi, dứt khoát đất chất đã rồi bi. Thôi dứt khoát biệt ly, buông đôi tay chấm hết và đi. Khoan dung qua làm chi, vì đằng sau lưng mà không thấy gì. Để đổi lại một chút nhân nghĩa phong thế. Có ngước lên trời cao dang rộng cánh tay, từng cánh chim bay lạ lời nhưng nào ai hay. Ai có thấu trăng chờ mùa xuân tới thân này chơi vơi, chờ khắp thế gian im lặng. Họ vào ánh mắt chuột lòng nhân gian ôi phần tơ duyên sao.
Alright, that's it. I am done. I am knackered. So I'm back in my hotel room. I just need to back up the footage from today. I wasn't planning on staying long at the convention center today. I was mainly just to film some stuff that I forgot to film the past couple of days, and some not all tabletop, but there's a bunch of tabletop ones I was kind of interested in. So anyway, I'm going to back the footage up after I've filmed this clip, of course. Back it all up and pack the rest of the stuff. Well, I packed all that suitcase right down there. I got that packed last night, so it'll be packing will be minimal today. So I just need to pack my laptop up and my other stuff, and I'm pretty much gonna be getting out of here. So, anyways, hope you all enjoyed my coverage of PAX Australia 2025. It's gone by so fast, and I know I've said it many times before, but it's true. Let me know down in the comments what was your favourite moment of PAX Aus 2025. For me personally, it had to be the Rogue Xbox Ally, a handheld console. You probably saw in the thumbnail of the video. I was really interested in it when they announced it, but I probably wouldn't get it on day one. I'm just gonna wait maybe a couple of months to see, if there'll be like a Christmas deal or Black Friday deal or something like that. But it was pretty good. It wasn't too bad, so I'm not complaining. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Leave a like if you did enjoy this vlog. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll be doing vlogs somewhat regularly, it'll be on and off, but yeah, it's mostly just comedy vlogs, and these vlogs are all in between. So hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to finish this off with the view from my hotel room. So enjoy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.